ntimi gina ya metime gina o wo sere ene me no ba bedi nkomo kichiwa ya bi me bie me ti so a me moduku me preach na my experience ade bi last week na me be kan bi a kire so de be ya wo be careful adabi mo wa ha me bo miti ebetena ha me ba ya na me di ade agu miti me ya na me yesa mo hwese mabo miti kama pa ema me di betena ha no mo je fans se mabo miti which is me na me boy na me bo miti ni wie ye no 3 days na me nya attack 3 days me soya anajo na me kenkan me bible wie na me bompai na me toho a na attack na ba e course 3 days na me so saade bi bene me so a na me frɛ me meya me boys no egurade di odi amachi no o jai osofo chen no so obokra ka se akola ne na no tum so be bompai amawa e wo se BBC timi ya na me bo wura wo mo dem na me se wo ma me nya attack bi to aso menti ase ti mo mbeka mo ni ye mo mpai na me ko butu wo mo mpa na me ka kire me ba boy no se wo mo mpai na obi na mpai na firi na mu ba me nim de no kasa fa obo mpai akama na me tia ma betena ha na hye me se me sanity ni na egumiti so sane me sane ye no attack na mabim nam si na di nti ne ma minya ne chese ade no onim yeti na ye bono eyesi ebo yeti ena yeti ye bono enyi nwi na wose ye de bo wose ye de ahoma na ahoma me de bo miti no eya ahoma na ye de nwele sweater me sraw so obi ofi akotoche please so di bia bouti na sane ahoma ni nie nya ntontwene me de kira wade ase ahoma ya kuta me de ye sweater ni bia see how thick it is we in the back say I won't say this city mam fa me ho ani me di ahoma we bo miti mam fa me ho ani na me wie yesu manwie o me da ho anajo abo me mpa ye wie da na sunda yese sofo akosi ewu aba me che na me se papa okra won lay hands on me so da obi na no so wabo uti na me se da bi me mo miti na sane ti wode ne nsa to miti so se ohun se me mo miti no na obo mpa ye ma me nti sana mabo miti no a ka wa mo mpa ye na ma me which is the bia onyame nkonkon yusu sankofo no o yusu obi ti se sofo akosi ewu anyo no eye Jesus na yi no ede be ya ade ana ya woye nti wosan kan wo dai num se wabo uti nam se da bi mi mo miti nti wode ne nsai to miti no so hu sa mpa mi mo miti anza no wo bo mpa ya ma me wo dai nim nti mi sremo obia ma msam fancha obiem me di siwa na yini pa bonefo because ye nyina ye pe ebia koye ni abre ahoma na yede nwene swata no hu papa so di bia botie ne kosane so what to be so akotochene experience amenya wo mu na me ka kire wo ne nti ye na me fe be ba ma na me se ama sa ahoma no udi bia botie aka no kokosane experience amenya wo ho no entina sa me betena se na asomadefo ye yi asomade mi mfi wo mo because asomade na enya ko nyame nkonkra me yi da kama yi ne that long time so what you say timisro say your church dogma ebia me fan say uko deeper life uko SD mudi ene se mo nsha asomade a me pressure en show asomade but me mo bi bambata henya so unko ina asomade asomade e sheme ne nya ka nkonkron awo ne me long time because wasa appear or dream mu catcher me say my bomiti what in such a soon say me 18 you know me more and son of bomb pie ama me and jono and it's me straw wo kuta sa homa we ya de nwene sweater aso Christo ni open heaven ako sane nyesa Satan dia hom na beba beto so or the attack beba so ma wo jo ho enye meja to because I want you to show you something. Metia no men na ye me say no go there and talk to them. So be o this sweater homa na boniti won sane. Sane free utiri no sutubu. Enye. Me sane ye no. Me de me ho attack na mabiem. Anso wa dream muso. Onya me busa wo so wabu me say umfa wonsan to me so mompai wo so wabu uti. Nam si debi mi mo miti. Wadi ninsa tu mitri su unse mi mo miti. Anza na wobo mpa ya mame. Tinecha sa humana mi di bo miti nenye. Swata humana mi sraw. Touching. Wow. And you know how we just see it just like that. Ebi ano nyami ya miwani. Before you use it. Na mi di kan so ho da ya na margin no. Man timi anke kan ya mebi amomuntem. Anti asientem ke ni kwasa ka mi yusu. Mi di kan so ho da na mi de sa ho na bomiti na ma se ma mi bu meni kakra gusu na wasa ka metena se dwene da ya na mi so na ka me nkotompo onyame wonye bibi jesu yi a kire wansa bibi e koso wi a oda na di ma hu di opese ba mu ne beba di opese wo bom pa yisi kwan so be si kwan ti misro se wo de sa ho ma we bi aboti di e de nwene swata na ni nua ba misro ko sane o ha na we bema na wo yiri di bia boniti akache nso onsane enye ma try ni bo so kra nya di o em say $25 or say dollar something and am etorno cheap mi kokuru mi tirimu wie ya mbetena na boy ya mi kra meni age no so nice hadi o me dia bomiti no and you good say the be ya de bia na nya fe na me be sane mi tiri so e bye e bom paye 3 days na nyini gu mi tisu ina na mi ye mi bibie wie na mkoda na takaba until some sane anza na menya mfa hodi mi wie so dream muso so a unyame nkonkora ba eno so only hands on me so ma bo mi ti to only hands until some ka say no mi mo mi ti odi nsa no to so hwe say mi mo mi ti ansa na wo bo mpa ya ama mi ti mi so udi sa ahoma ya bo ti akosane ntentem. Hey, my man, not on a dear from Moyeti. You all gonna near or regular home, maybe I don't know, and no socrano. Pray over it before you use it. Baby, Eugenia said, every little chance, Satan will use it. Atadia obeshe, pray over it. Uko stock or ton tadian about bompa guso. Uko stock or tadian odi kususua. Uku refitting lay hands. Pray over it before you put it on. Do that. Because any little chance, baby, you muno, I want to say time fast society. And it's mess up. The old young be. So what you say? And no, not come with some man, no, and come once and new. We because my man not to a dinner show tea. I have flowers, say fake flowers, your my ear. A dish it is minumit musa. Naja, me chefia. Naja, me dear ashes so kakra. Because to be a me pia bonte, me couldn't exercise, me any exercise. Nana, I had the mammy said, me regular exercise clothing because me share trousers, and I mean to me share ye near my entire home. On what I dear, she may sports at our dear. A ya mad dear, extra me go to you. Ya pine chain, Timmy was scared to go out, oh, shot, and now see a pine chain, now the skate and I shall see. So the bear who behind wood to me can be because soon to me and shapans and no media sha meditiano mammy no a de casa. We can do a lot of things. Ewa ya tadim into yama a ho and soon here. And after so say nessa knew where you too much. Obiaya and a mona must see some more heavy. No mona must see some way Christopher. Moya mo saka tu moya mo whatever moya mo atade ehemi so ye lose pa enye de tale ya unibia. So we should not tell them what to size no 1 size up and not 2 sizes up. So the bear will shy, be loose. Ewo ho ne metetare ho. So on ne nkutu obi sintidua. So what you say? Ye say ye di atem. Ebi kura fi sem say ye sorry a ye ntwitwi yes. Omo insult ye pa. Sa wo de wagye ma wo mo a wanhwe ya. Wo be ya ade atie Awurade. Mesraw say ye nyire ye ho ye siket hyem. Ene ye ntade tintin hyem mu ni nyina no. Ye nkosososo honam fam. Enso ye ma honidie enadi. Say ye ntimi nko salon. See ye koye ye more to say ye first. Ni ye kokoye no. Ibubu ye more yi kama. Last na me na more. We kram se mi kunu ne to buy. Okọ mi se gym. No mo de agugu. Unya oil kitwa bi a baby oil utumi do fefa on sechi. We ni oil kitwa bi a omo de ka bafa na yede say e polish ye say sui. So what you say because ye ntimi nkokeka kites. Enu so nti ye ntimi ni more ni ni ana. Nti we no my say curica oil, I say regular oil. Ah omo de aka ho. But you can still use the baby oil if you have it. Ububu more ni we now fale. Now the baby oil ne kakra fa ha. Nti wo de you know foam ade we no. Bafa you to so a. Ya e shine more no so. Come neat. We are touch me the your 9 more. Nti wo hye slippers a wo so 9 more no so. I very neat. Fe come. Yes, yama ye ninko so and so very good. And your secret places. Ye ni huni. Ye shout that you doesn't mean say ye ni huni. And says Anna wanted to for who ye ntina who here. No must sebre o man and yes anet. Said you must mudi muhuni no. Mo de mo pentia na mo fi se mudi muhuni no. Ye penti but ye di huni pa. Agidi wonim. Agidi wono de da kura. Wonni no huni. Hiniti misremo. They say among for attack. You couldn't attack. Yeah, you no more attack. What else can we do to still look decent? And the Holy Spirit ankasam. On also odin huni. Nti so obewa. Also do huni. Or bad at least. I also do it twice a day. 2 times a day. Also about jari. Mami am try me jari back man ko bebia in different team because your private places are Emma sem 52 52 o chese en camp back akraba ho nti yes abuchira nsu abu nti se Ghana just okoso pipe put me come papa kura say oh pipe no kwenti my macho so what you say and yes ha nsu na bu utimi dibi jari ama hoto ye make sure okwa adwuma ba wa bre uti akonyoma esa woda please don't sleep ko dware na siesie ho kam na papa no di odi bedi watamanya o sekete tenten but nya wo se di usi di ni ye nya ne sa yes ye more ye private places ya ye cleaning or kama na enhyem kuran so what you say nti they will see as a sekete this for die but you do your honey. So what you say? Don't go without brushing your teeth. Oh, me a Christo ninti, man, chichi me sekora, and yet set ye beconessa. You need whom you dreamy, a natural effect. Natural, you beautiful. So you're the one who will be our painty, aging our sister. You were far better than her. Make a metro. Ah, Nessa Ghana chromoso more akuko force. Last me kobusa mama dia na ayos yo ma akoko force na bi makoto e beto me boase ya che my still na me akoko force san yi woni pa ni bi force so what you say why because o man ti o nyame asem o ma ko fefa ni me bi akomo o ma be da ni force o mo nya natural you're very beautiful no matter how your face look like okay no matter if you kwa woni susa nkiti say Chinese you nyame ayo no embrace it e bi kra wo hene tale ho embrace it untiri ni bi kra inshadam no so but say the ubi see ubi di ni no ubi share until to say yes natural beauty and ekui what you say wo no why say nsu aborobo nsu to awiabo de otia na otie omo srei awiabo a omo ntigai o je say wo ne ho yira no okay and I won't be a one fan could be answer no one penty and you too and we are bo one fan Nyafin or Namu Yins you bebo ever bonewege Debbie be natural about you and it is so let's hold on to it. Young folk could do in your day and yet you ready pay. You forget about what people are saying outside. Forget it. And found Kwamel. Okay? Nephew also, no matter what the husband is doing, and say, me am it away. Me couldn't pespos. Children of poverty, mammy acquires, me po, but I call your mom, we are going. Yeah, we are going to run. Me try mammy and come. Also, genuine no ye in the shoes ye. This is come when you exercise. Me found it. And so you bet you macam. The Yachimaka also cry me people, but in a dear way. Okay, which is, and yes, I make exercising to me half naked. No, I wouldn't do it. Dimission some macam me to Mr. Papa. I know this one, me dress, man, cries you. And you are both for much of they were watching me. So what you say? A cow could ya baby a person me me hono. Your secret place I met my jammy watcher. But for had your place. And it me patch up pa. Said the bay I need you ever my Christ. And it me so mama said ye ya who say your natural. Your man in value. So what you say? Very beautiful. You perfume be bring we especially winter summertime when 50 nipa. Perfume be already young bonny credit watching. What if perfume go kakre be kitu be say? Dear no from. So obi what fe now genu baby or not no. Bring it down. It should be a man bonny son. So what you say? Na ya uniem be fe say. So na ya sign en papo mudin so kakra. Exercise kakra so ye. Ema wo ye de. What you say? Ema wo nye tebo. Okay? Wunya chance kakra bia we work out. And you work out and say kutu because said you ponkodi with you debut. Said it will be another yes makoma theater no. Walk nanti. Okay? Ema extra strength. Ema wunya ahode. Fasting is good for Christians. It's good for us. If you fast, it's good for you. Okay? You may be a woman who fasting now, Johnson. Okay? It helps us. Yes, so Nisa did you nation you and yet you tell you only be near Baba. Yes, oh, in the way me say they are me shape no. Even though na yeshishan tadia kesimuno, we still also have to eat good. Sadi no. It will be a kuni pantem. So what you say? A maunya or day, a more come about peri. Miss Rowe, let's do this. Nayan yen she, yen ne or more, almost say, or more 5 years ya bo doing, yen fire home compare or more rensa. Yen fear home compare or more smoke. Yen for your home compare or more or more to keep birth control. Or more weird drugs. Yen just strength to kutaye, see you know me no. So what you say? Me try birth control to keep me who say yes. Send me to your papa. And you come. Me share my wife you enemy bibia. Me twins the first and they drew no. Say ni pediano. But me giant me naturally no about bonting. I'm a bibia I come. So what you say? Birth control e kum what think. So we all bar now warrior. You could another be remember ya no de no come me. E ye drew no e kum or bar na think. Until the man don't know who come in. So what you say? E ye drew na e kum what think on. On she. And it is before mo you be jam just want to turn to me go lacking. And some of Mattia seeing in say a drew ne kum na think or to near think on. So what you say? Ntina adia kakribia ka obeya obenya think on. Just say a jija. And you know a year drew na. And it is naturally no. And not the take inside the so account to big. Me too September. Many 40 years. That was September. But me to me show me home. Na me de me home compare ni pebia me to me say me jina me na super. Okay? me jina me naso me de me hu compare obi a oda nuro so o take birth control o no monsa o smoke a difference no wa okay me san ya akonchire okay difference ne wa e wo me mu me san bu awurade fere no nti de bia ne protection so ye kese okay nti wo ma me nsopa so what you say nti me sraw ani dim let's try ni ye motne ni bra ni ma wiase nkasa mu yeso obi be ma me no to a o say e de say trousers ni atade e hye o nya mema de me sraw ye ma de e tra me ko to Jesus mitimi su di tumika emu ye loose entitare me eni me hips me to abonten nti me no ma me ntu obi asentidua nti me sre mama ya die ba ko bi ye secret ni nyina echi ya die ba ko bi no mu se no nkofo we naturally no inner beauty wo ho and outside no so wo plus ye no mukasa ye de ye efekeke so bi be po na ye wo no krenti no wo po so wo pia bonten no bi be resist wa is because the truth that you bring out and no nama because the sumni high ni chaka o bring odi high e besuma ni sum e dwane e yesa nipa bebre kan ye won sem o mo kan ta o mo tai ya beba angry face ni sister no wako sister keep coming angry face if abefrafa ni enkoyanim so what the angry face in she lacks something or he lacks something no krebi ba enam se sunti ni mu nti wo mpe enam se wo ye motofo wo nyame mu na madwene mu han sunti no oba na wo shoot sheriff messenger no odin ne ni brebe baba eden aba be hye ne so mesre wo nyame se o masafo ni nyina entiase ne yentimi nkoyenim yensai wo be ye Kristo ni wo be ti abonte ne yem hyehye mame no to me ye oba ya menyini nu ba bia musi yenye modesty say be ma be de humi find me attractive sister Abraham metie de ma ye me hu se ka me nware ya nti ka me nya kuno emema ne nyu mu nyina no madwene mu hawo ebi ni mu nyansa pa o mo pe homemade de yatete just de wode ani wakono e ba be pew so what you say ade bia nso wo de wani we ne kope no sa ade chi na de kunu ni wa wo be po ye mo bebre ye kunu di ahofe ne be ware se ahofe ni firi ho a e ho na wo be hu be makura wo da na chi e ma ne bebre o mo de wo mu kunu macho ahofe sire wo su gina ne ko ware wo mo se bra ni sha sie so wo hodwa e mo be hu oba akura wo ne ware ye so what you say ye do wodo ena eko ye mfa nipa na de se ne to na de ko ya e to ne nyina wo nkosie wie ye se ne nufu na de ko ya e nyina wo nkosie wie ye ye hwe ina di free nipa no mu ba quality sa onyankopon hye dade anyene no free soro a nipa ntimi nyi free ne nsam nye makeup enye wig enye wobo utiregu wobo mesh to se Bob Marley enye ho asam ne yeka see you see beauty is what coming from a person makes it beauty metie se nyanyame a ni ye kan ho fa na to menka so what you say de be ma ho fa pia bonten eye di unyame de adua mi mu de free mi nipa dua mu ba onyankopon suro nimdie ni nyansa wo de ama me wo so obi ho no mo beti gei ni ho fa pa wo beti sister no jimi a wajimi pa wonti bi da ho wo to si yesi no ho obi na no tumi nyina ho so what you say nti ho fa nye face is what comes from within and no ye kasinti na wonyame on share only appearance but nipa hwe appearance ye be see ni kura Ghana for ya monhwe omo pedi osowa nso me kase osowa so wajimi tie bi oho ni nyansa enam so ye tie nti ye se ahini ni mfa ma no ye de kwa akoma di osowa inso so sebi mpedi asase se wo ye jeje ntwio so what you say nti wonyame se bi wo ye ne niema no ye nti na wo koti na wo be ya de no wa ye stupid so what you say nti ababa wa wasi so wo ye modesty a be ma ye tete ne fie woni nyansa nyame honhom drive no wonu mum ne be ba be ware wo vagabonds no so wo ko pinti a wo mo ne pepenti mami to ko yo to wo beti me pe Coca-Cola shape wo mo ne te sao but ye tete ne fie nyame suru woni mu no ei wo po ba woni ne kuta honhom ba ko no motumi aso wo mu akọ heaven ne say ye force dia and ye force ni de ebu so what ye say ye mo bebre ye kunum de ye wo ni say na bai so what ye say nso me kan oba bi gina plaza on one night stand ono ne ye di ye ni say kokope no na nya de ye ni bobra so what ye say nti me sramo ema no ye modesty no nkyere se ye ho otan ye ho nye tan ba ko say omo pinchi no omo so omo ho ofe no si ye kan ho ofe pa no nyame ma ye kwan si mi gina ho na obia emra out enyi fam yimfum me ye bibia kumbe hu sese wo mo nka ho so umbe hu sese wo ade papa bia ye cover na ade papa bia a secret place o she still go do ye ade a esombo a wosuma yesika she bebi unyame de good akoshe she se go unyame betumi de good aso na yesi luwa anameboa she bebi unyame de good akowura se nipans fight enti na nim fifransa na wakutu afi diamond ye de to a wo shese de shine blink diamond e reflect when you say yo she bebi unyame de diamond akoshe se nipa nkutumra nti ade bia ye papa no ye di sie o ye none di say except package you have to open it to see what is inside and then ye ade dia enya no and then you try to paint it let me paint it Coca-Cola shape doctor me person me Coca-Cola shape on now the balu shisha me no for him they were trying to look attractive and you will be no so nyame shada nyine wo mo no sanse ade na wa yama no e wo mu say ye fe but cover it fesi e mani pa ba ko bi and it is sister oh ya natural na say to be ejika me na do whole food America for some wo munim whole food enye organic niema na yeto whole food umpeso bi wuntemu a niema funu na wo de ji wo mo ne niema guso ye nkoto nso wo ko whole food a wo ko diga ne bo den ni nyina ne se sentosi no mo de beba natural ye mfa duru mugu so je na ye mfa duru mugu so ntu ko so de bo den nipo na yesi bibi di organic nti ade na ye nipa da sani yeso ye nya organic emmawurade ni ye pese penti Lucifer si penti onyame wa mo yi nti wahu ekuya wa ahese de wo muti efe ka ohene sasopa chi ka utinyi gu awa mu a won bruni no o so ko pebito no what try se de be obi didi nyame atem nyame so oba na udi na tema na de papa mfama o onye obema be ma na twem sei obeye mobo nti misro ababa wa wodi 20 25 a wujira wona so tum se nsamfo agesi di ka betum dibi me se wo kwa de ka opia tum se yes oba na be banyame hu surunti cover yourself di wo ye wukunu no because of se wabra wo ho ase amewrade wontwam da obeba so what you say ye man so ya ware no matter what our husbands is saying is because they were blind omoni na frenti no mo kasasa no and say we have to quit doing what God wants. Yenti nipa na yenti erade. Which one is it? So what you say? Yenti erade no obeshe ye nimunyam. Obeshe ye nimunyam. So what you say? Yen say you. Ye cry a home erade. Hey Yusuf we. Samiti mesra. 40 years kamenima babri wa momo. Kamaye mobo. Kamenimbe se chembedie. Nke we are no si ya busa hana ye kwatre ya mu take a good look at womo mu yusu no womo mu penti ya hwade ya hwade womo nsechi ne nan yesisi fo mu bu nse ntini na ye yire na hanu ubu nse e de say stretch marks be bre chase nkoye nkuna mana pai nya fe so what you say we have to be smart yenye smart na wonyame na yesom wo nyame nyansafo wo de watna se na hwe se wo bot na ne bra no hwe difference bi aba wo bi ya ye fe wo jaye duru no no wo hu sam pa fe de se wo jira wo na so pa don't let them fool you yitumi chi yeti san ye nimu nyina tutu yitumi bo yeti mesh san ye nimu nyina tutu abaya wa fe no 40 years kura wo nyan na nimu nyina tutu na koka hase wo pianity ya na nimu nyina tutu enkoye we at the same. One more in Kutuibi, with the ocean in Kunku and Basukura, Bogos. Pinkutuibi said that chisel. We are Kobedia Moton Kendleson. Omo wa yibu ayese perfume enye perfume ye omo at the same they smell it is a tangerine omo they smell it is a anketwade omo they smell so to say anka we are na de kakere bia besuso won wayi no nkuto na wache no na de we tuntuma na kokko ahyase etebo ye be ye wedding ebe ka be 2 months no shasi dware twice a day netebo sa egurade me sit down with the baby go and look me bon ni prepare again na akuya na ebe wo nan so isi from to bo se fin kunkuto ibi chi ho kam yesu kwa di tire ye tete ehuru ni ha ehuru abai kura na yesa hye condition beautiful wo hye skin no na de compare obi a wo use atum say yes unyame abo so what you say woni mu kama wontuti woni unye yi Ugu veli kama say ya sorry wa buduku ni kama ya kushira wa wari so reception na se ade ye shemiti ya sa flowers yi omo ni cream color ho we are now be a shouti no wo yuti no so reception na se fe sister kwia ohu fe se crown bi so na de be sha ho na de crown na hye so we yi no so say fe what a queen beautiful utini ni ne gina so kama mesi da ama pa ni kunu be pipa ko be wedding oh am for be bomon se mama Christ enye chinchin simple se be ubi o ni sika ye ni so obehwe so no wasua mesi nipa be bonensem an se se wo be onyankopon no wo hye de siesi wo a bia wo de be kan ho no fe mesi atade ne simple no be ye no simple ni babwa simple na soma die ni che simple ni veyi simple owie no ye reception asia egurade me bay natural hey me pie ni se ya mi akwa na me mu bi akra nsom me bubu ni mu wi me clean so kama me sie me bay ato me bo asia tinkuto ti me bo asia tinkuta bo me bay ame mani kusie dia na ye no me kame chiro Mr. Jai, Mr. Bama Crocodis was some me bride will because I saw dear and you say yes, natural, undiluted, beautiful Unyamia shall the CC. Nano soon glory be a Unyamia no di Jarinipa. Yes, so I walk our in more ready and catch you. Dear make you can do. Who can so back no crepa. So jai pinti women tony no show pass it. You look so beautiful. It will be a come more on my for dollar story. Flowers ye shame to be not beato. Utu sanu tune come up and say, now the beer show team say. If you make a social kitchen korea dear, tented or no what take when you know and the area. Obos a sister say one say you. Won't say. Unyame kurabema usoro no pa bompaye erade ma minya mikunani matom erade ade bia akova mikunani ma ema ni hu mi se me ye attractive woman efura nani opeso hu pentima mi nto erade scale bi e wona ni so yigu from no hu mi so ba na wumpe we na pa twade wo de natural beto to fake ho say mumfa ye natural ones and to fake ho ni enhwe du nyame ahye desisi. How can you put natural thing with the fake together? And could you say, no. Natural is natural and money cannot buy it. Hollywood, if we told you about to person natural, that will be Yakukudro, paper, and they say makeup no free anymore by natural, no, the channel, the magazine. Yes, natural, no makeup, no media better. Woman natural, no, mobile, but the woman to me, or must say body no. Nti natural di sikantiminto mo ni nyesa wo ye natural body nkunfun bia nkunkankan bia emefa honam emma wo enye ntutu no nyesa what see wo kama we inside out we clean it bibia very beautiful now see one ma obi sin na wo ya tete one na ka kire mo mumuni ye cocoa masam, Mother Cassia and Tetequa. Wabra one really cocoa me, na money be good, mammy can crunch. Oh, baby, or a mamma as a woman. Oh, baby, or one Bema cofaned in the banner demo. 1 week, none of who pampai in free demo. 1 solid week, none of who pampai. Our debate few name free demo. Mumu say we are for me man some boy. No so sister Iba no painty pa. Ana me boy no painty. Di unyame ayama no wa mo ani anso a obese no obeye mobo. Obema ho obu obemu oni agide wo ye no say ye. No wa ya traso na afi wo ho abebon but nipa ntumi nka. Maybe be o mo srase o mo kunu no ma me mfe no mo dite. Sister ye ni mo twintwam ne nsachi Fanta face, Coca-Cola body. And then I may come me ban no angry face. Mumfamro, Mimfang, Missy Jane Kunis, and I will born. At the age of 50, who wants a win tutu. Sana me sick. And we are no peer wounds at a showing in a moon tutu. Who pay free them 1 week, now who pampine in Phil, Sana me say. It is a who you Susanna man stop. Sana me say. Please. Mamu bianca monshe na natural wunya. You can never buy it with money. Sikantiminto. Miss Ram, ni she Christo ni munyam. No, but first let me say, man ke kan lipstick am intimi bio. Ah, men kan kura nya me lip gloss. Bo sam dia fa manu. And so ne. Say ade no so kura dry with lips. Chemicals na one lipstick no a dry with lips nti de bia wan fa bianca. Esa wunye mi jai ye no mi natural lips no sister please she na say time fra wani wate you are beautiful from your mother's womb and no one can change it do no one on this earth can change it nti do not allow yourself and must say time for breast sika man san koto adia odi be say didi nyame ato na say be say wo body Wabra, Satan won't find out the engine, and Naya Nessa on who fair, near my old Sasano, and Naya Nessa look attractive. To a more bad 10 years, necessary will be still between John. Me come trouble. So 1 pinty and to me 2 co a honey ha. Penty no one so never more when him at the age of 40 will be one because what the 50 years. One say no 9 swa and no 9 see for Munina, Kalanina Yepe. Difference abam watching cham nye common. So what you say? Allow God no sees you what allow nyame to stay tanya mani nyegu ne allow nyankopon no sees you ne hwe say natural ne yonkoni pentimamento a ne yonkoni de say makeups ne niema o mbeka ne yonkoni se wachi utia. Say you soon yet dear, it's here yet so enye. Unyame boy yeti ni natural. And that's how we supposed to look. Yeah, natural. We are from Africa. Some unyame boy we are so. Or share your so a elephant. You know, dear Mayano, we don't have to copy anybody else. Ye no na enye fe. Many of brofu ye jumi. It will be a way natural now. They like it. Umunya intinanse womanso nku di womo fa umuti no ma ye curly hair no natural no nitin a curly say ni mu na yekufu. They like that. Me will let teacher ni bi obafia be kire me banade it will be obeba no ye nitin na na ye me die kufu emunye kufu no de ade spray omo thickening spray de be thickening nitin no say ye mre they have it omo friend a thickening tonic no de spray nitin ni mu no aye to say natural to say tuntum they do it. Why don't you no one person will be embracing what God give it to you? Why? More ebinuma saloon ya more ne wu mo receive for one say wu on some we won say ya se kakaja ni nyina na se wo se di nyame de ma no ompe ti wo so kututu na oye no wa bra wo fa buffer yi. Where is my buffer? If I'm me buffer ya to me buffer me de kira mo face ye frat ini wo fa wo buffer. Now they say oil be no honum say baby oil say there Now the phone say a chiam, curica area. Now the way to a yenisia. Fe. Was your phenomenon got us a macobran so machine that you. Some may be pay. It me a grey, I was a nashim. Shim some more chance. It me shim, meaning and say Bejao Kakaja. Or more year or more every 2 weeks. Or more your mopa, or go to tomorrow. Near more red and no be unfound more into from say, near shed the dear no a natural. Dear holding room. Let's do that. So what you say? If God wants us to be natural, He knows why. On person, nessa brofika almost black don't crack. Black are over cracking on natures are sra. Upenti. Blacks don't crack. Fita ehunamni emre. Se fita hiti 50 years at the end of Tuntuma way no natural. I want for Bibian skin. Yeah, the new one in the so they call it America for brofo. They call it black don't crack. Ye nimunin chincham. Before answer tuntum, every chincham say none and nimuni bugusono. No, didn't fibia conanim. I just said there was sra. No, ye pinch mamento. Woman wants a cacrebubos and the nimi, ne chincham na a mom. But so be get natural nepa me catch us a black don't crack. Yes, and they know. White people know black don't crack. They know that. And it please, I'm begging you. Let's embrace what God gave it to us. We are so beautiful from Africa. And we love it. I'm proud. Say me free Africa. And He loves us so much. So please, don't let anybody deceive you. Dear ya umukran sa fena meme kotin fifri. Mi wi an masadia koto onyame echi wade. Masadia penti na sa mama bo abre wantem. Nti anoto am aka be 2 months am ma hete 40. Nti miti weti tintin koyi. Nso ka mi pentia. Kabana kama yesa chimbede. So what you say? Timude mumfa obi o penti 25 years. Na mumfa me 40 years ni nyina ho. Ni enhwe de wa krake. Let's see it. Mumfa obi a wodi 25 years a wasra. Nam ye fa me did 40 years and then image now. Ni enhwe which one crack? Why not crack it? And no me can no mpeno. Sister me found me should mo cry free jam. Me mo cry free jam. Sana mpesa mchro. Eti me platform is mpeno kora mahao. Mpeno kora don't come here. Because the away me can't chro ma buof. Sa pepepe. Ubufu so me found. Koko ship ma pomeda kumase. Ma buofu se ma me no to wase you crack. When you mama, why you such a video? Who your Coca-Cola face? Who your Coca-Cola body Fanta face? Sana me say. And stop it because who did you when you're meeting? Neshe, so when you ninja, Neshe, so when you're fencha. I'm bressa, Koboy Towers. Utia Conyon's order. To me, be drama, Jona, who different. One. Who you know, Sakot no more. No, you $100 for makeups. Any the oldest African market. Who come here too? A webby down for Uncle movie or what tiabo. No, what's our pentis? Now they are Sister Jack, Obian country, so much slow. Sister, I will got a bijan for Uncle, or show when you my way at Chimbedia. And so now so watching the sick and twins one country said, oh, and I'm all crack it. They say black don't crack, so why would you crack so quick? Because who connected with a mistake? You're changing your body. Ever watching this one was so obey your mob. So he take 40, 45. Oh, obey your mob boss said. Timidia no crana make catch roll. What you say? Missy me buy a Emmanuel dance on the car. Or can some less bet so what you say? Media no crana make catch roll. So what you have no down daddy. That gun for Benjamin just over the coach. So what you say? Anything black don't crack. Beautiful is from above. Money cannot buy it. And beautiful is not face. And your face is the yankee and come. Let's take a pintimament of we commodity in him. Make up of way. Commodity any much. Oma Coca-Cola body, Oma Chicha, Omonufu, Omotu, Omoyamaku, Omuti, Saka Yankan. But the Bama be a attitude with fear and continue. When they see beauty, they see it from within. Not outside. Ebi a obe many say so na me Jimmy for. So let's embrace it. Your secret places, your private areas, your underwears near mano, ye decency, and ye kama. Yamono menkasa ko spray fe menyes ana meka. So what you say, ye be naturally very nice. No when you meet a so we winter bebe. Me be pemi nkuto papa bi ache. Me wia me de say tangerine oil ibi kakra guma memu na yihwem kakra. Me be tia bo na say wia na sa bo a wo be bon sama mama me amotwa. Do the same thing. You don't know nsuo mensuo nkon wonu nsuo a wodwu so nyire ye soda no munsuso nom enye coke ne fanta na enye da enye eye dangerous kura ka wo mo no protection jainom ebi wo coke to begu fia na coke sister jainom na Ghana na yetem obetimi no once a week coke or the be twa kon ne fifretem. So what you say unsuso de all the share condition coke no ento bi mu da jainom enye unim di obey upe drinker to tanka chade fa be go fridge mu ne ko whole food koto honey ewo natural one ni bi uwia no what they say what fancy you kaka na the ice agum na wo mia wa ayi honey na gum no wo mia wanka chade no wo na de aye wo drink ento wo mo drink esichire bibrebe no don't do it omo ice cream no e ma benya white don't eat that. So what you say? In this animal, so open ice cream or one kasa, uko pe yogurt kakra. No wape e de say anka ayi banana. No wape fruit blend, no wape blend bi. Na dia fra, na dia chef freezer. We are not to what di so ice cream no natural. E si chire bia nim. So what you say? Ni yen hwe ye dua ne di mu so ye, ya pomu di nso ye wrate. So what you say? E good pa. And also boy me check now nsuo mo omo Coca-Cola ne wo mo moto ne ho ahwan no janom eni aba bruchire mame no to aso me anyu bi ni ebi ku serious ebe mo wuntam afi usi wo nyim so ne ofu ado sa na ye wo utena se kakrebu wo so na se atata sa na ye wo ti mi slow janom ati ni yenkoye nim ye nyire ye ho. So said you may bring more day back. We can stand on our feet and fight. She do baby you be by a swallow to set up and do be sure. She will be power attack or be Joe Bunny through some to be also in the prepare. Yeah, come on. I was physically strength. It be war. Okay? Yes, Obama soon. Regular man will be an interest of meeting me spiritually is your major for you. Hey, sister. So what you say? Let's do that. Ne bois a Christopher, ya huni di here. And men limit yourself for that. You're so beautiful. Said you nyame bo na yen ni so fe. Ono na wo yama no you are not doing it for human being. We e anwe. Nti se wo di anwe ye chi. Now sorry ti awrade on fa ho ncho. We obi na wo be wu ama. Baby e do beto obi a be dua ntos ama ba. Keke muane bewe. So what you say? Nti ade na me honam wenti me nkosra no nya me ni minya problem. Me nko penti nko tete mani achi na me tete me ja mani atete no. Me mfa blade nkan. Eno ankasa e grow natural. E city good places a wonya me pese city. Ah, ye ha ye ho abusiafo. Me nya ye ho hawo, especially a ma. We are so beautiful. So please, embrace what God gives to you, okay? And I love you guys. Me so koya wedding. Shall see tinkutoni bibo. Ha! Tinkutoni bibo. So ya no power no kusia. Na cha kusia wu. Nye edurusu kusia ibi. No wa mukumukun. No wa di. Wa ye toko. Buzu wa bem. Sister. Abaya pa. Enya fi na ena wase me so tena tiki no. Naturally was so better. Who can say aware ya agro? What the me ma nu kunu ne nkotena. Mama 6 months. Naturally was so better. Nyi easy sa. Aware nyi easy. Na onye no me toko ma uku. Ana so ye. Ye no you as if ni skinny o. Na wase me ye skinny. Me fu ye no mu ni sa. ye be exercise apomudin ye pe o yenye ya agye se ye pese ye fun flat we ni ye ha ye ho ne wo se me ye fun ye flat de ni kon so wo ye kura no wo ye work it out ni nya apomudin so what you say men kase na de a wuntumi koko pega don't do that if you are phone person wo mo hwehwe ade de da wo mo ho ene wo mo to ne wo mo yam wo mo yi su kira nkofo na o mayire wo mo nti wo ye kura wo nwie o sakototo nura be no ye natural apomudin ye hwehwe ye hwehwe metonya flat ne mafunya flat no ye hwehwe ya tade kam nti ebusuafo me love mo pawo Mummy nyiri ho obo ho no wa metena no wa ma no e de say backbone obo so wo hwe ase no wo kofom na me kra me ho nyefe me kunu Fred ma ba ya kra wa nchia me wa de ma ya me hu sister wo ho nyehwe ko wo utrinum kama utrinwinu nti papa e wuja wig ishe ya nti wo ba no beto so wote wo de se dia gro nti utrinwi nti ya na mu nyene wo du shampoo ya utrinwimu kama first isu de wig nti be na wotwe mienu na ne tiri kra wuru ni nyina ne se wo se hoyi otitim se ya bo se ne mowuru mu nyina se natural nti ye hohuru yitiri mi mu kama imu ayi hwam bibia ye kama so what you see tai wa ni pacho ti misro we are beautiful okay ibudu kunche se ye na bi na budu kwa eno kura boa memfuturu nkotimu na otete yesana na ena hwede waye no na obenya natural no waye
Asole c'est pas ça vous
Audio Jungle.